Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to play Minesweeper. Minesweeper is an old computer game. It used to come on many computers, and I really enjoyed playing it when I was younger. In this game, there is a board with hidden mines. In this example, there are 10 mines. Your goal is to find all the mines without clicking on one dot to start. Click on any square. Your first click will always be safe, so it will not end the game. After that, the timer starts. Each square can show one of three things: an empty space, a number, or a mine. If it is an empty space, more squares will usually open by themselves. If it is a number, you need to stop and think. The number tells you how many mines are touching that square. For example, if you see the number 1, it means there is one mine in the squares around it. If only one square is touching that number, then that square must be a mine. To mark a mine, right-click on the square. This puts a flag on it. The flag means you think that square has a mine. If you click on a mine with the left mouse button, the game ends. It will show all the mines, and you lose. Let's start again. If a number 1 is only touching one hidden square, then that square must be a mine. So, we can put a flag there. If another 1 is also touching only one hidden square, then that one is a mine too. After you find a mine, you can use that information to find safe squares. For example, if a square shows 1 and it is already touching one flagged mine, then the other squares around it must be safe. So, you can click those safe squares. As you keep going, more parts of the board will open up. If a square shows 2, that means it is touching to mines. If it is only touching to hidden squares, then both of those squares must be mines. There is also a shortcut. If a number already has the correct number of flags around it, you can click on that number, and the game will open the other safe squares around it automatically. This can help you clear big areas faster. So the main idea is simple. Look at the numbers. Use them to figure out where the mines are. Put flags on the mines, and open all the safe spaces. Once all the safe spaces are open, you win the game. That's it. That is how Minesweeper works. I hope this tutorial helps you. It is a fun game once you understand the numbers. If you do not have Minesweeper on your computer, I can also share a free link where you can play it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.